Welcome to Rentgine's video tutorial series. In our videos, we will show you how to use Rentgine, which is a car rental software designed for businesses. Our car rental software helps you manage your fleet, staff, and customers in one place. In this video, you will learn how to create a checklist in Rentgine. Having a checklist is essential for a car rental company to ensure the safety of its customers, protect its assets, comply with regulations, and provide a positive rental experience. In Rentgine, you can assign checklists to vehicles and products, such as additional equipment like child seats, snow chains, or bicycle racks. To create or edit checklists in Rentgine, go to the Settings page. Here, you will find checklist questions and checklists. Once you have created checklist questions in Rentgine, you can group them into checklists. Under Checklist Questions, list any necessary questions for your rentals, including questions about tires, seats, lights, and additional equipment. Click the New Checklist Question button to create a new question. On the question page, you can specify the question itself and its order within the list. If you want to have it as a mandatory field for your colleagues to fill out the text box, check the Text Part Required box. In the Type section, choose whether it is a yes or no plus text box, or multiple choice question. For multiple choice questions, you can list the options under the Options section, separating them with line breaks. Save your new question, and it will appear among the existing ones. To edit or create checklists, go to Checklists in the side menu. These checklists consist of different sets of questions related to, for example, fluid levels, mechanical inspection, and pickup. Now let's create a general checklist for returns. Click the New Checklist button, give it a name, and select the desired checklist questions. Remember, you can only select questions that you have already created in your system. Save your new checklist and add it to your vehicles or products. To assign a checklist to a vehicle, go to the Vehicles tab. Choose the vehicle you want. Scroll to the Checklists section and select the desired checklist for pickup and/or return. Save the changes. Now, whenever you open a rental with this vehicle and click the Pickup or Return button, the previously selected checklist and its questions will appear for you or your colleagues to fill out. To assign a checklist to a product, go to the Product page. Select the additional equipment for which you want to have a checklist. Then, scroll to the end of the page and choose a checklist for pickup and/or return. What's more, the assigned checklist questions will not only appear on the rental page, but you can also incorporate checklist questions and answer into your document templates. Go to your document templates and select the desired template. Click where you want to display the question and answer in the document, then choose Insert Merge field. Select the question and answer you want to have in the template and click Insert. Once you have all the options you want, click Close and save the document. Now go to the rental with the chosen vehicle. From now on, if you choose this document template to create a document for the rental, the chosen question and answer from the template will be displayed and automatically filled in. All in all, having checklists will aid you in ensuring vehicle safety, preventing damage disputes, improving customer satisfaction, and streamlining workflow. If you don't have a Rentgine account yet, check out our subscription plans. For more information concerning the rental process, watch our other videos or visit our website at rentgine.net.